snake. What is this?
Panda.
And what is this?
Zebra.
Zebra, yeah. What is this?
Elephant.
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 What is that?
No.
What is that flying in the air? What is that?
Okay.
Airplane. And what are those things flying in the air?
Birdie.
Birdies. And what is that?
Tiger.
Yeah, what is that?
Panda.
No, it looks like a panda. It's a polar bear.
Polar.
Yeah, you know what that is?
Daddy.
Daddy? Oh, that is not funny. That's not Daddy. That's a gorilla. That's not funny. What is that?
I swear I did not teach him that.
I think the other one taught him that.
Oh, are you serious?
What is that?
No.
You say deer?
Yeah.
What is that?
The lion.
A lion. That's right. Roar.
Lion too.
It's a tiger.